Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize Evernote Cloud Notes, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Evernote and sign in to your account. Navigate to the note you want to optimize. Start by adding relevant tags to your note. Use descriptive keywords to make your notes easily searchable. Organize your notes into notebooks based on categories. Ensure you use a consistent naming convention for your notebooks. Utilize the rich formatting options to enhance your notes' clarity. Incorporate checklists for task management within your notes. Add hyperlinks to connect relevant resources and external references. Attach files directly to your notes for easy access. Consider using reminders for important deadlines or tasks. Use the Evernote web clipper to save articles or web pages directly to your notes. Review and update your notes regularly to keep them relevant. Utilize the search feature to find notes quickly. Explore the Evernote templates for streamlined note-taking. Consider using the Evernote app across all your devices for synchronization. Familiarize yourself with Evernote's keyboard shortcuts to enhance your efficiency. With these steps, you can optimize your Evernote Cloud Notes effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.